Zakayo asikie, mapinduzi yaja Kenya,
mapinduzi yaja Kenya.
Ayo mama, Zakayo asikie, mapinduzi yaja Kenya,
mapinduzi.
A kind that feels pedophiles and a kind that's afraid of young people. What Trudeau is afraid of is coming. He knows that on June 25th they're back in the streets. So he's trying to create fear among young people who reject the finance stability. It's going to be rejected. And we're here today to say NJERI must be released. And listen, NJERI has committed a crime, which she has not. But she has committed a crime. She has a right to police bail. She has spent 2 nights in jail. And we're here today with comrades and asking everyone who is at home, come here, because you're not living at NJERI is free. Either I would be shooting Bilal and Dani, or NJERI achiliwe. That's why we're here. Look at this. The mother is here. Ndio kumefanya makosa yote. Ukifanya makosa yote, umeshikia mtoto wenyewe maskini bure. Ruto anaenda nyumbani. Hata kuwe na nini.
Anaenda jela.
Jela?
Ruto
anaenda jela.
Her abode is known very well, her domicility that is, and everything else is very clear. So there's no reason to keep her here. But because they just want to show us they are powerful and they can do whatever they want, that is exactly what they're doing. Exercising powers recklessly and with impunity. So it's abuse of power, and we continue to remain vigilant as Kenyans until justice is done for NJERI and everyone else.
Tunataka nani?
Tunataka NJERI.
Tunataka nani?
Tunataka NJERI.
Tunataka nani?
Tunataka NJERI.
Tunataka nani?
Tunataka NJERI.
Organize in Pangani police station, organize. Police brutality.